Ever spent hours wrestling with spreadsheets just to pull summary statistics or build charts? I did until I tried Julius AI. It promises to interpret your data like a real analyst does without the coding. Did it help me actually understand my numbers faster, or was it just another fancy chatbot? Let me break it down. Julius AI pitches itself as your very own AI data analyst. It lets you upload files, spreadsheets, CSVs, PDFs, or link to sources like Google Sheets or BigQuery. Then ask questions in plain English. Whether you want charts, forecast models, or summaries, Julius claims to handle it all instantly. Think of it like a chat interface supercharged with data science, right at your fingertips. The first thing I noticed is how natural it feels to interact with your data. No formulas, no coding. Just ask, "Show me sales by region," and you get clean visuals in seconds. The interface is polished and welcoming, making data feel approachable. Users praise how pragmatic Julius is. One reviewer compared it to having a personal data scientist who's much more competent at coding and catching typos, freeing you to focus on interpretation over setup. I also appreciated the ability to peek under the hood. If you're curious, Julius can reveal the code behind its analysis, great for learning or validating results. A nice blend of simplicity with transparency. Small teams, marketers, and researchers also find value in its speed. You get forecasts with confidence intervals, summaries of research PDFs, even answers to complex questions that feel much easier than wrestling with BI tools. But it isn't perfect for everyone. On Reddit, some data professionals compared Julius unfavorably to traditional workloads. They see it as clever, but worry it oversimplifies complex business questions or skips necessary analytical steps. Others pointed out that Julius doesn't connect directly to databases. You must upload files manually, which limits real-time analysis inside fast-changing datasets. Tech reviews echo this mixed sentiment. Julius is impressive for quick charts and models, especially for non-technical users, but may lack depth for hardcore analysts who need full context and code control. Julius recently raised a $10 million seed round, built a user base in the millions, and gained supporters even at Harvard Business School, enough to bake it into leadership courses. That speaks to its growing impact. If you're buried in spreadsheets and wish you had a teammate to query data in plain English, Julius AI feels like that teammate. It's fast, visually adept, and surprisingly smart, all without needing code. But seasoned analysts or data scientists shouldn't expect to ditch their BI tools entirely. It's best as a gateway, not the full expedition. So here's your takeaway. Julius AI makes data feel conversational and clever, but remember, it's not the whole analyst team. If this gave you clarity, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what data question would you ask first if you didn't need to write code? Let's test it together next time.